Oh! Oh! Oh!
Clean!
That's clean.
That's clean! Oh, there's gonna be no chicken sandwich for this hungry fat nigga.
God. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roddy. We back with another video. But this ain't no regular one-on-one we about to record. We got two people playing for a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Yes, you heard that right. Popeyes chicken sandwich. Number one right here.
About to spank this
You about to spank him?
young man. I cooked him last time, but he ain't posted a video.
In fact, who you got winning?
I got Falcon. I'm sorry.
You got Falber?
He got. I got mine.
Who you got winning? Falber? My name's Falber. I'm 6 feet, I weigh 250 pounds.
200.
200, my fault. And I'm ready to get that chicken, right?
No cap. He's 6 foot.
Tell them I'm Jason. I'm 5'11", weigh 250, and I'm ready to get that chicken, right?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Nigga throwing out his elbow like crazy.
Check.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Woo!
That's fat. He's fat ass.
Pause.
What's going on here? What kind of party is this?
Yo, bro, I can't get nothing, bro. This nigga's mad fat.
Y'all both fat. Step back with the sauce. With the sauce. Oh!
That's clean.
That's clean.
That's clean. Fuck out of here.
Oh man.
You trying to say that was?
Juice break, my fault.
Nigga's tired already. I ain't even got nothing to drink.
So you gotta slurp up, right?
Jason, what score?
You mad gay, bro? Shoot a God if you make that. Fat. Oh my God.
Hey.
Tell him, light him up. 6 zip. Tell him what you want. Seven zip. Yeah, halftime report, halftime. 7 zip.
I picked to win.
Oh my God. All right, man, halftime report. How you feeling?
I mean, I'm up 7 zip.
Tell
How can I feel?
Yeah. Oh.
I mean-
Oh.
He can still come back though, but I don't know.
Robert, how you feel about this, man? 7 zip. Any changes you got to make to the game? Oh, you say quiet.
Game's not over yet. He can still come back.
Hey!
I'm not losing.
Oh, good, boss.
Oh, blocks. I like that. I like that.
That's a foul.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, he getting crazy for his chicken. He's getting crazy for his chicken.
Oh, there's gonna be no chicken sandwich for this hungry fat nigga.
Oh!
Play defense.
It's a physical fight, man. Y'all get how y'all want. Oh! Oh! Yeah, get that chicken. 7-3? 3, bro. Oh, 3s? Damn.
Okay. Check up. Hit my hand. Where did my dad hit my hand? He wildin'. What? Nah, y'all gonna respect that call?
Nigga, he's recording it.
I did want y'all to respect that call. Fuck out of here.
I called check.
None of that. None of that.
I saw free.
Yeah! It's a physical game.
That dog gonna rape you, buddy. Nigga hold them in.
I need like 3 breaks.
To be honest.
Cash.
Woo!
I'm too fat for
That's
this.
9?
That's 9.
Bro, what is you doing? Bro, what is you doing, bro? You see the weather, bro?
Got the virus. He cold.
Bro, it's all black, hoodie on. Nah, you dangerous. Nah, they got a break. They got a break. Wait, you still playing? Yeah. Oh, we resuming right here.
That boy hustle.
Yes, sir.
That ass need to run. Oh my God.
You sold the bag. Oh God. Damn.
I closed out.
Damn.
I closed out. I closed out.
This is football. Basketball. Whoa! Watch the dog, man. Watch the dog. 5'9", 6'6". Oh, he ready to score. 6'9". 6'11". He got a game point now.
I don't really care. He can have a chicken sandwich.
Chicken
I told this nigga don't do it.
It's a good game. Shake hands, shake hands. Y'all seen the game right there. Jason came out with the dub. But since they both put up a good fight, I'm gonna buy both of them a chicken sandwich. That was both a good fight right there. So second place, he didn't want a sandwich, but he got a Gatorade.
Feel me? And a bag of chips.
There's all love here. And then right now, we about to go get a chicken sandwich. Which is like spicy or regular?
Spicy.
Spicy? I bet. So yesterday he had to go home. He was pretty tired after that game, but as I promised, I got him this chicken sandwich. Feel me? The winner right here. Open it up, man.
Oh
Take a beefy bite.
If I'm taking a bite, I'll show it though.
You show it. What flavor? What flavor?
Spicy.
Yeah, you got that spicy chicken, yeah? Yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Comment down below what y'all want to see more of, man. Y'all see more of the rematch, more challenges? Let me know. Stay safe, y'all.